Hello and welcome to the Distributed Confidential Infrastructure Services screencast. In this screencast, we will show how a private document moves between two cloud providers managed by OpenNebula 7.2 without ever leaving any unencrypted trail on disk or on the wire. One site is located in Madrid, Spain, on a StackScale host, and another in Paris, France, on a Scaleway host. The main goal is to show that the file can be uploaded in Spain, federated to France over the encrypted overlay and verified as AES-256 ciphertext on disk and as the encrypted WireGuard frame on the wire. Edge cloud environments are heterogeneous. They span multiple legal jurisdictions and multiple operators, with no shared trust in any single provider's transport or storage layer. Confidential workloads must still flow between those providers, and they need a common storage and networking layer that keeps the data encrypted at rest and during the transport. OpenNebula 7.2 federation functionality addresses this by letting each provider run its own zone, with both zones joined by a single orchestration plane. A WireGuard mesh exposes every endpoint or the encrypted overlay independent of any underlying public network. Nextcloud all-in-one with the server-side encryption protects the data at rest, and the Nextcloud Federation share builds a single user-visible namespace across the two providers. We demonstrate the effectiveness of this architecture by uploading the confidential PDF file to a Nextcloud instance in Spain, federating it to a Nextcloud instance in France over WireGuard, and verifying that the file is still encrypted at rest and during the transportation. The setup is intentionally simple. Two independent Nextcloud all-in-one instances, one per provider. The Nextcloud Madrid instance runs on StackScale 00, the StackScale-operated host in Spain. The Nextcloud Paris instance runs on Scaleway 01, the Scaleway-operated host in France. Both VMs are joined by the same WireGuard mesh, and both enable the server-side encryption with their own master key, so each provider stores its data as a ciphertext on its own disk. Federation between two Nextcloud deployments happens at application layer, as HTTPS over WireGuard. OpenNebula's job is to keep both virtual machines running across the two federated zones. The workflow broken down into 4 observable steps that we will walk through one at a time. During the first step, we must deploy the Nextcloud-Madrid instance on the StackScale host with the server-side encryption enabled. Step 2 consists of deploying the same appliance on the Scaleway host so both virtual machines can join the same WireGuard mesh. For the third step, we must establish the federation share between these two Nextcloud instances. The last step, step 4, is to upload the confidential PDF file to the Nextcloud-Madrid instance and verify the AES-256 ciphertext on disk and the encrypted WireGuard frames on the wire. We sign into Sunstone as one admin. The dashboard shows the federation with virtual machines, templates, images, and networks across the connected zones. From the Zone Selector drop-down list, we select the zone named Spain. The host view on the infrastructure host shows the StackScale host StackScale 00. Now let's switch to France. The same host page shows the Scaleway host named Scaleway 01. The virtual machines page on the instances shows that the both Nextcloud all-in-one appliances are in the running state. The Nextcloud-Madrid instance runs on the StackScale 00, while the Nextcloud Paris on Scaleway 01. Both are connected via the WireGuard VPN. In 2 browser tabs side by side, we open both Nextcloud's web-based graphical UIs. Nextcloud Madrid is on the left, while the Nextcloud Paris is on the right. On both Nextclouds, we go to Administration, Settings, Sharing, and enable Federated Cloud Sharing. Back to Madrid's node, we open the Files tab and upload the PDF into the folder. We open its share dialog and type the federated cloud ID admin at nextcloud-paris.tb-corp.ts.net. Next, we select Allow Editing and Save. Madrid pushes the share to Paris over the HTTPS protocol tunneled inside WireGuard. The bell notifies us that a remote share is waiting. We accept, and the same PDF appears in the Paris Files panel, marked as shared. First, let's prove that the file is encrypted at rest. We open the terminal window and establishing the secure shell connection to the Madrid host, then read the very first byte of the PDF directly from where Nextcloud stores it on disk. What we see on the screen is not a PDF at all. At the top we can read hbegin, then the cipher name AS256CTR, at the bottom the trailing hand. Everything in between is encrypted. The file is encrypted on disk with the master key the host operator now sees. Now let's check the encryption in transit. We capture the traffic that actually leaves Nextcloud-Madrid host on its physical network interface, filtered to the Paris public IP. Every line on the screen is a UDP packet. You can read the source port 41641 and the Scaleway destination address in each header, but the rest of the packet in the hex column on the left and the SC column on the right is a uniform random noise. That is the encrypted WireGuard overlay on the wire. This screencast was developed in the scope of IPCEI-CIS project. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.